Welcome everyone. In this episode, we're going to look at how to access data that is residing in GitHub into your Power BI. So let's just say you come across data that look like this sitting on GitHub. And you can see here what we have is data that is from the Our War in Data, and what they have is the bi-weekly cases in terms of COVID-19. How do you actually access this? The first thought is that, well, I can just copy and paste this URL and immediately just get the data from Power BI that way. So let me show you how. First of all, select this caret here and notice there's a web, and try to enter this data we just copy so directly from GitHub. Okay, so let's make this as our first attempt to see if it works or not. Okay, you'll see the data being shown this way, and right away you can tell that, well, something is wrong. This is not working, so we have to try another way. Essentially, when it comes to GitHub data, you have to actually access it via raw. If you access via raw, you copy and paste this URL here. We'll notice that it says raw.githubuser content.com followed by the original URL. Come back to get web, get data via web, put in your data, notice that it's raw.githubuser.content, and click OK, and notice how the data comes through in a tabular format now. So you can actually go to click transform data and examine your data as you usually do. You can see that these are dates, these are numerical values, all of these are numerical values. So there are hundreds of countries of data here, and yeah, so just check through them one by one just to make sure it's fine. Once you're done with all of these, you can just click refresh and close and apply. And give it a couple of seconds, it will be uploaded to your Power BI. Okay, so you can first of all go to the data view to check your data, right? So you can see that the data is indeed being populated. They look fine. Just come back here. And if you want to, you can actually start viewing by selecting, let's just say America and Asia, and you can see the data that's being fed through here. So that's Armenia rather than America. Okay, that's fine. We'll leave it at Asia. And the other part that you do need is to scroll down to the date part. The date is right here. Select the date and convert this into date rather than hierarchical. Then you will see a timeline format this way. To summarize, you do need to convert your data from URL to the raw format in order for this to be able to be accessed by Power BI. Don't forget to subscribe as well as click the bell button. Every time that I post a video, you will be notified of them. Please do leave your queries and comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts as well as comments on these videos.